Alright, gang, look. Like I said in the last fucking video, we're gonna do this try not to get scared shit, cause that last video wasn't it. And I don't know, Halloween, bro. We ain't really trying to laugh. We trying, you know what I'm saying, check out some scary shit. So let's hop into it.
Videos filmed by Doorbell camera.
5 scary
Volume
videos.
2. Number 5.
I don't know who the you are. Listen, I ain't shot at now. Please tell me. You're about to be.
This would-be intruder is trying to be subtle but failing miserably. His evil plot was foiled.
I am being shot at by... Dude, are you serious? Yeah, see ya. What?
The guy claims he's being shot at, but the homeowner isn't having any of it.
He was definitely looking to do some damage in the house.
What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected, you almost feel bad for the guy. Number 4. A man is apparently talking to himself outside a stranger's door. Oh yeah, and he has a massive blade. You can't really hear what he's saying, but he appears to be speaking to someone. The guy stands there for a moment longer before his demons drive him elsewhere.
You just never know. Some real creepy weirdos out there, man.
Number 3. This ring footage was filmed in Texarkana, Texas. The homeowner shares that this man regularly visits their house because he believes it belongs to someone he knows.
Y'all ain't gonna answer the door for the police, so that's very unusual out here.
Usually he causes a scene. In this particular instance, he went overboard.
Hello? Get somewhere. What's that? I can't understand you. You're what? Sir?
The homeowner isn't there, but he buzzes in. He's telling him to get off his property, but he refuses to leave.
He buzzes in.
How come every time I come up here, somebody dead for all this place, and I know the girl, this person that owns it? And I am the police. She lives in one of my apartments. Stacy Crawford owns this. I'm going to tell her. Then we'll be back to move.
After his crazy rant, he starts to take his rage out on the camera.
Hi, camera.
When he can't destroy it by hand, he takes a boot to it. Number 2. These homeowners in Truckee, California had a very unusual visit in the night.
I would've pet it.
Upon hearing their doorbell at around 10 p.m., they thought some pranksters were playing Ding Dong Ditch. And maybe they were. After getting up close and personal with the camera, the lead bear saunters off. Let's just hope there's nobody out walking in this community right now. Number 1. Early on a Saturday morning in Visalia, California, this homeowner received a Ring doorbell notification. A stranger was at his door.
Can I help you? What?
So can I talk to
The woman is clearly intoxicated.
Who?
I said, can I talk to the person who lives here, please?
You got the wrong address.
Like,
She starts hitting buttons.
it's so weird. Want to talk to juvenile detention facility?
Then she hits a million buttons.
You have the wrong address, sorry.
Well, can you call them?
For a moment, it seems like she's given up.
Please, please. Like it calls, like it pushing the buttons? I don't give a
But this interaction keeps going.
How many dumb that is? Okay.
Bro.
She simply won't leave, and she insists she's at the correct address.
Go away.
You can hear in his voice that he wants to go back to sleep.
Why?
Why?
You have the wrong address.
You.
Wrong address. Go away.
No.
Go away.
It's where address.
And yet she continues to ring and smash his doorbell incessantly.
Straight like that. Charlie. Female hood. By some North End. The hood casino from the hood.
What the fuck is she talking about?
Stop.
So keep knocking, keep ringing, keep calling.
You have the wrong address. Seriously.
A bit. Yeah.
You drugs, people.
Watch.
You're gonna hurt your hand.
And if you
Stop.
can't handle your liquor, don't do that either.
I'll break that shit.
It's surprising the camera has withstood the beating so far.
Watch me break.
She appears to be trying to pry it off. After making no progress, she becomes increasingly aggressive.
Cookie Run Tower of Adventures is officially available on both mobile and PC with Google Play Games. Immerse yourself in a 3D cookie.
Like, even if she is drunk,
She just won't stop.
Triple nine. Up.
She apparently walks off at some point but returns. And this time she says it's her house.
Who are you looking for?
It's my house. What the
But it's not her house.
Hello?
Go away.
My house.
The homeowner has the patience of a saint. But even his is running short.
Unless you got the wrong house, seriously, go.
Oh, well, I jumped off my thing. It says my house.
At this point, she starts slamming her shoulder against the door. Then she turns around and tries to kick it down with her foot.
Move that shit up right there. What the Nah, fucking house up in the house.
She's still under the illusion that this is her house. The homeowner is forced to call the police.
Irritating that dude.
And they arrive 10 minutes later and arrest her. She welcomes them with open arms. It's not clear what she was charged with, but the homeowner is certainly grateful for some peace and quiet at last.
it's like she wanted to get arrested. Hey man, hope y'all enjoyed this. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you did. Let me know what I ask you in the future, man. Look, roll to 10K, so hit that motherfucking sub button, nigga. 110 subs away from 2,000. So niggas stump on that bitch. We out, man.